Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Damn, somebody left their Hellcat outside with the sunroof open. What this shit say right here? Sean's TV. Oh, this nigga tweaking. This nigga just left a cat outside. I never stole one of these. I'm used to stealing scat packs. Damn, this nigga at a church. Oh, I'm finna steal this nigga shit. That nigga now praising God. Hold on, twin. Let me see if this door unlocked on God. Oh yeah, we in now. This nigga stupid. This nigga is dumb. This nigga left the door unlocked. That's why it's good I keep my gloves on. So when I'm stealing y'all niggas' cars, you feel me? I don't leave no DNA. You feel me? Let's see. I might need my pro pass so I can strike that bit. Let me see. Let's try to turn that bit on. That nigga Sean smart. That nigga got a kill switch. It's okay. I know how to bypass it. Don't worry about it. I'm still finna steal this nigga car, no cap. As you can see, we got power and that nigga left the keys in the car. Yeah, this nigga don't want that bit. Twin, let me see that bit crank up. Oh, we in the game, oh God. We gotta hurry up and pull out though for that nigga to catch on. On everything, that nigga at church praising the Lord and you feel me? Gotta turn that music off, you feel me? That nigga at church, you feel me? He trying to praise the Lord, nigga. I'm finna praise this Hellcat, no cap. I never stole one of these before. I gotta see what they be talking about, no cap. Okay, I hear that whine out that motherfucker, no cap. Let me let the windows down. And we in eco mode, let's put that bitch in custom mode. This nigga Sean don't even know it, but I just took this nigga shit, no cap. Let's see, let me do a little pull in this nigga car. Okay. Free Hellcat, you feel me? I appreciate you, Sean. I don't know who you is, twin, but you feel me? Nice car. Damn, that nigga happy. That nigga laugh like this in my car. Nigga, I just stole that bitch, no cap. Fuck wrong with him. Who that was, twin? On everything, I'll turn around and get on that nigga ass. On God. I just went cat, you feel me? I ain't have to pay nothing for it. On everything. Let me put my seatbelt on, though. You feel me? I'm kind of scared of this bitch, twin. I ain't never had 707 horsepower. God. Damn, that bitch righteous wine. I'm not used to this. I'm used to stealing scat packs, you feel me? But that bitch right here, oh yeah, that bitch pressure. And this nigga got the carbon fiber wheel with the lights. I just noticed that bitch, twin. Oh yeah, that nigga shines out, that bitch getting money, no cap. I appreciate it though, twin. I don't know what's wrong with this nigga brakes though. That nigga need to get this, well, he can't get it fixed now. I took that bitch, no cap. Damn, this nigga's shine car scraping bad. That nigga must be on Lawrence Springs. Oh yeah. This that one right here, on God. I should have been stole me a motherfucking cat. No cow. Let me cut traction control off of that bitch. I think you gotta hold that bitch down for a couple seconds. Let's see. Oh yeah, we in the game now.
Really, nigga?
They put that bit in. Man, I wanna, bend this little turn right here. You feel me? See how that cat slide. I almost lost that bit, no cap. I ain't used to that bit yet, twin. I told y'all niggas I'm used to stealing scats. You feel me? I ain't never stole that cat, you feel me? But it just kinda make a nigga a little horny, no cap. I like how they be whining and talking to me, be like, push me more. Oh God, I'm happy I found this nigga at church. These church YouTube niggas be so green. I know the nigga do YouTube because that nigga banner got a YouTube logo. You feel me? Hopefully that nigga ain't, them look behind us. Okay, ain't nobody behind us, you feel me? I'm making sure that nigga ain't on my trail. You feel me? What we gonna do? I guess we'll go straight out this bitch. This nigga car sound crazy. Damn, what is this in the road? We gotta go a little slow over there, bitch. Damn! This nigga Sean gonna be mad. That nigga gonna have it done now. I hope that nigga got insurance on God. Cause he ain't getting that bitch back, twin. Everything. That nigga think he finna get that bitch back. I'm gonna have to bust at that nigga with that switch on God. Speaking of switch, this nigga left a gun in this bitch. Oh yeah, we up. We came up off this nigga. This nigga dumb. Like, twin, how you gonna take your Hellcat to church? Nigga, it got hell in the name. You ain't supposed to drive them cars to church, nigga. You going to hell. That nigga Sean going out bad. I mean, I took the nigga car, you feel me? The least I could do is subscribe to that nigga channel, you feel me? Damn, I would slide that nigga shit, but I ain't used to slide. Oh, stop sign. We running that nigga. We running them stop signs, twin. Nigga, we in a striker. Crazy hell if you think I'm gonna stop at a stop sign, boy. Fuck that nigga looking at. Nigga, I'm in a striker. That nigga see this ski mask on, he intimidated. Tell that nigga to mind it, bitch. Oh God, big Hellcat, you feel me? Y'all still cars, nigga, make sure y'all keep a pair of gloves in y'all pocket. You feel me? Just in case y'all take a nigga car, you see you don't have no fingerprints in it, bitch, you know? I ain't new to this, nigga. I'm true to this. I really be stealing niggas' cars. I just ain't never stole a Hellcat. You feel me? I done stole probably about 25 scat packs, you feel me? But I don't want no scat pack no more after just driving this nigga car. On God. Now let me look in that bitch, make sure ain't leave no money in there. I don't see no money. Oh, okay. Let's look in the glove department. Let's see. I'm finna start this bitch right here, twin. I don't care. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this nigga got tickets out the ass. Yeah, this nigga Sean be cutting up this bitch. No cap. They go a little Corvette. Oh God, he don't want no smoke with that cat though. Like I said, this bitch free. I ain't pay nothing for this. Nigga asked me, how much you bought that cat for? Nigga, free. Free 99, nigga. Them downshifts sound crazy too, twin. No cap. Nigga want me to turn up. Nigga, this ain't my car. Oh God. I like when people tell me to turn up though. You feel me? It make me feel good, like I done work hard, you feel me? Little do these nigga know. Nigga, the hardest thing I had to do was crank that bitch up. Twin, that bitch was free. That stupid ass nigga left the keys in the car and everything. But that nigga brakes. It's ruining my ears, bro. Like, you could at least change the brakes, son. What's wrong with you, boy? Oh, that may put you in the seat. Oh, God. I like this bitch, huh? Oh, God, I'm finna park this bitch in the garage. The police ain't gonna never find this bitch, and he won't either. I told you that boy better go file an insurance claim. He ain't getting that cat back, twin. Nigga, this mine forever. And I'm finna get that bitch right. Oh God, he ain't gonna even know what hit him. And I'm finna put a wide body kit on that bitch. You feel me? Real striker shit, nigga.